Hello guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge, your own tech YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to thank you guys for visiting our channel, and this obviously gives us the courage to create some latest updates, news about latest gadgets, just like we have received one today. And it's called Oukitel K8000 with the top-notch quality 8000 mAh battery, which is the main feature of this phone, of course. So let's open it up. I hope it will not give me much problem while opening. Wow, this is the one with the premium quality, I believe. Wonderful box. It's clearly says over here the Oukitel, which is the company name, and over here the phone K8000 with the 8000 mAh battery. I believe that they have given this phone name K8000 with in that capacity, and on behind, it's written some of the feature. Oukitel K8000, size 5.5 inch, and operating system is Android 7.0. Gravity sensor support and all these extra things they have written over here, obviously made in China. Let's open this up. Okay, this is the phone. Let's put it aside first of all. Let's see what other things we have got with this one. Alright, this seems kind of manual. Yep, it is. All of the good features about this phone are inside of this manual, if you would like to read it. Okay, and this is the warranty certificate. Oh man, this is great. This phone comes with the guarantee certificate. Alright, let's see. Wow, what a packing. What a packing. I don't know how to open this up, but this seems that this is a USB cable for the fast charging, obviously. And here we go. We have the quick charger. Pretty standard one, comes with any of the phone for the European. Right, and this is the USB for computer, obviously 3.0, I believe. Alright, this is pretty much what it is inside for now. Let's see what's inside the phone. Wow, this is great stuff with the metallic body, and they have given each and every information: volume, power button, and IMEI numbers, and some of the warning. Okay, alright, cameras. Let's remove the protection first. This is a premium quality, looks wonderful. Let's remove the cover first. Come on. Alright, it's nicely designed, wonderful. Let's talk about this panel. It says camera, speaker, and sensor, obviously. And over here, along with the button, it has the fingerprints over here. And on the sides, this is the jack for the SIM cards. And on other sides, this is the volume button and the power button. Pretty standard much, just like the other phones. So this phone has two cameras in it, 16 megapixel and 13 megapixel. So let's power it on. Come on. Alright, Oukitel, it has some great features in it and great phones alongside the K8000. And you can always click on the link inside the description and check out their other brands as well. But this is a pretty good phone. I mean, it's not very heavy, and it's already, we told that it's totally metal, which is great for the crash and all these things. So it's taking much longer than I expected, but okay, alright, here we go, get started. This is the first look. I have decreased the brightness from here because if I do increase the brightness, I mean you will not be able to see other features inside the phone. Alright, and then first of all go into settings, and about this phone, it has K8000 with 64 GB of phone storage, and running memory is 4 GB. Obviously screen size is 5.5 inch, and screen resolution is 1280 by 720, and main camera, rear camera which we called, is 16 megapixels, and sub camera is 13 megapixels, and status and Android version is 7.0, and some other stuff's pretty much standard. If you would like to buy this phone, the link is always inside the description. We have given some other good quality products links inside the description to buy from, and this phone has great features in it, and I can tell after using it that the quality and the navigation is wonderful, and surely it has a great deal, because for the mid-range mobile phones this is wonderful deal. Purchase this phone and tell me what you like or dislike about this phone inside the comments below, and we always strive to know your thoughts about our products, and we'll create some other great products reviews in the future for you to buy online. So I'm signing off now. Peace out. Alright, after the nicely presented unboxing video, let's dive into some other features of this phone. When you click the link inside the description, it will take you to this landing page which clearly said Oukitel K8000. It seems that they are only talking about battery inside of this phone, which is 8000 mAh of course, but believe me or not, this phone has some other wonderful features inside of it. But let's talk about first battery, because they mentioned here 8000 mAh and 9 voltage quick charger and 5.5 Samsung AMOLED screen as well, which is again wonderful feature. This phone has a full metal body and front and back 16 megapixel and 13 megapixel camera, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM with the octa-core 1.5 gigahertz of processor. For the mid-range mobile phone, this is a wonderful choice. Now in that capacity, you can play 18 hours of games on this phone and watch 25 full HD movies, and again you can call 52 hours long with the 3G technology, and this phone will not take long to get charged, just 200 minutes and it will be 100% quick charged. And obviously super thin body, just like we showed over here, and we showed you inside our unboxing video, which is again a wonderful feature, and it's not heavy, it's very light phone. Let's move on to some other features of this phone. This is what it looks like with the 5.5 inch AMOLED display, the Samsung AMOLED one with the 96% color saturation. And regarding the processor, I have used this phone, and it is the processing is very fast, and the navigation is wonderful with the MT6750T octa-core processor. Now let's talk about the camera in K8000. This phone has two cameras, 16 megapixel and 13 megapixel, and they have shown some results for both cameras side by side, and the result is wonderful. I have used it by myself, and it's just like they have shown over here. And regarding the fingerprint, this phone has fingerprint on its front, which is awesome, and just like they said that the unlock is
in 0.1 seconds, and it's pretty fast. I can tell that. I have used it and it's wonderful. Now if you're a gaming lover, without the gyroscope and geomagnetic sensor, it is very hard to play games on your phone. But with these loving technology, you can play unlimited games on your phone, and I have played some games on this phone, and the result is very awesome, very good and HD quality. And obviously touch and feel is wonderful because it has a full metal, and full metal meets exquisite craft. Obviously, I mean, great results. And last but not least, these are the three colors. I mean, whatever the color you like, in black or gold or blue, I mean, whatever you like, you can order it online. So this is pretty much it is. And click on the link inside the description and buy this phone, and tell me in the comments that what other things you like or dislike about this phone. So I'm signing off. Peace out.